Here we're going to have Firefighter Loper demonstrate a single firefighter flat raise of an extension ladder up against a building. He's going to approach the building with the butt of the ladder facing the building. He'll make sure that that makes contact with the structure and that both of the feet or spurs are going to contact it. He's going to make sure that the fly section is upward and the halyard is downward. So when he goes to lift the ladder, he'll be able to extend it afterwards. He'll now take the tip and start controlling the rungs as he walks forward to press it up against the ladder, or up against the structure. Now that he's there, he'll use his body weight, his feet, his forearms to make sure that it stays in contact with the building and he has control of the ladder the entire time. With the halyard now, he'll start to extend until he gets to the desired height that he needs. Now that he's there, he'll use lower rungs to start to remove the feet or the tip or the butt of the ladder from the structure while making sure that the tip stays in contact the entire time. Now that he's got good control and the ladder's in position, he will rotate the ladder to get the halyard down and fly section outward. That should be rotating it right into the position at the sill of the window, so that way we are now ready, we'll be ready to approach and can make either a rescue or entry from there. Depending on what the use of this ladder is going to be, we may want a different climbing angle, all right? What we typically use for entry into a structure is what we would refer to as a climbing angle, which would be about a 75 degrees, like of an angle from the building. Firefighter Loper is going to pull out the bottom part of the ladder to make sure that he finds an effective climbing angle for entry into the building. To confirm that he's in the right spot, he'll stand completely vertical with his arms extended. With your arms being straight out in front of you, that should equivalent to a good climbing angle for you to start to make entry. Outside of that, if we are using or looking to use this as a rescue ladder, we may extend it to a 60-degree angle to allow for putting a victim onto the ladder and have that absorb some of the weight so they're not just going straight downward.
So the last step is to tie the halyard. First step would be to make a half hitch over one of the rungs and then pull your slack rope tight. Take your right hand and go beneath the rope and then take said rope and bring it through the hole that your hand has made and pull tight.